Pinal County, Arizona. Police respond to a disturbance call relating to fireworks. The homeowner doesn't answer the door. The homeowner says they have a caring neighbor, and they think she's the one that called the police on them for no reason.
I said he knows we're here.
Oh yeah, we got this ring.
And a dog.
Yeah. Office. Sheriff. How's it going, sir? What's going on?
Can I help you?
Yeah, hey, we're getting reports that you're out here shooting fireworks and No?
Just got out of bed.
Just got out of bed?
Whoa. Take him.
The homeowner did a good job by securing his dog.
Close the door.
Alright, so you haven't been out shooting fireworks?
No.
Hey man, we just got that report. We gotta come and contact you to figure out what's going on.
Alright.
Alright? Hey, can I get your name real quick? So I can
No.
contact? No? Alright.
Anything else?
Yeah, hey, I know you made... Hey man, you don't have to give us that.
I'm getting mad. I'm not mad. I just woke up, brother.
Alright, man.
Alright.
Always keep your cool when dealing with police. Luckily, the cop in this video kept his cool, and so did the homeowner.
Hide your Ring camera. Turn your Ring cam into a hidden camera with Cam Masker. Compatible with Ring Indoor Cam, Ring Stick-Up Cam Battery, and Ring Stick-Up Cam Plug-in. Cam Masker, the #1 way to hide your Ring cam. Cam Masker hides your Ring camera without interfering with its various functions. Order yours today at cammasker.com. Cam Masker, the #1 way to hide your Ring cam.